Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Microsoft 365 Copilot app. If you are experiencing any challenge with this app, maybe your app is not opening, it keeps on crashing, or it is too slow, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to troubleshoot this app, we need to access the app info page. You can do this by just going to settings, and from settings look for apps. Under apps, you should see all apps or manage apps, and this will list all the apps you have on your phone. Search your app by name, and then now you can see we are on the app info page. Here, go to force stop app, and then go to clear data and choose clear cache, and finally clear all data. Restart now your smartphone, and now everything should be okay. However, should this not fix your problem, then we want to check if there is any update on this app. For that, you just go to your Google Play Store or App Store and update your app to the latest version. So one of the reasons your app might be malfunctioning is because you have been using an outdated version of Microsoft 365 Copilot app. But should your app still crash if your app normally stops each and every time you open it, then it means your app might contain bugs. For that, you need to uninstall the app from Google Play Store and install it afresh. Now, once you have installed the latest version, open, and now the app should be working without any issue. So that's how you can fix any issue with your Microsoft 365 Copilot app. So let me know which of these methods was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.